a complete AI creation platform. Describe what you want.
Right, if you run the migrate command, you can see here all the table has been created. Now let's create. If you run the migrate command, you can see here all the artisan migrate.
Nah, setelah kemarin kita bikin, kita migrate, yaitu kita dorong ke dalam database. Dan harusnya kita lihat di sini, kita lihat DB student harusnya udah ada isinya.
If you run the migrate command, you can see here all the table has been created. Now let's move into your database and check it. DB students here or your database structure as
Also DB students. DB students.
been created successfully. Here the students.
All students. Oh iya, kelihatan. Tuh ada ID dan address mobile created ada nanti.
These are ID, name, address, mobile. All the columns are created, right? These are the timestamp. It's all created at updated, working for period. Right. Now what I'm going to do is your students part is over, student migration part is over. Now let's back to our documentation. This is over. The migration command is over. Now we have to create the controller section of the project. This is very important stuff. The controller, which is communicate with the model and get the data, right? So here, how to create a controller? You have to run this following command, which is a PHP artisan make controller. You have to specify the controller name. If it is student, the name should be student. If it is a teacher, the name should be teacher. If it is an enrollment, the controller name has changed as enrollment, right? You have to give this controller name. Okay, here you have to write the keyword resource. Resources mean this is a single keyword which will be managed by all the CRED operation, right? Create, update, delete, all the CRED part. It will be managed by these resources, right? You have to create a resource control, right? Copy this one, paste it over here, and press enter key on your keyboard. Now here.
Kalau kita bikin lagi sini ada PHP artisan make resource. Dia ada jadi di app http. Nah ini dia, ada student controller.
Your resource controller has been created. The react will be created. You go to the app. Inside the app folder, there is a folder which is a HTTP. Inside the HTTP folder, there is a controller folder. Inside the controller folder, you have a student controller has been created successfully. Here, it has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 functions are there. Right? Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is, your controller section is over. Right? Now what I'm going to do is here, this is the control section. I'm going to create a model. You have to create a model. So how to create a model? I haven't specified the model, how to create a model. So here, how to create a model, the same command, but copy it. I'm going to explain it, okay? So here, PHP artisan make, here, instead of the controller, you have to write some model. Model name which is student. That's it. Not resources. You don't need, that's it. Copy this command. Back to my terminal, paste it over here, press enter key on your keyboard.
Yang kita bikin setelah lagi itu PHP artisan student. Sini ada di app models student.
Keyboard. Now here, the model has been created, you'll be able to see some model. So it's an empty model. It's an empty model, right? Perfect. Okay, this is perfect. Right here, the model creation, this is your run this.
So I'm writing an essay on cats. Cats in art history. I'm an art history major, and this final is due on Friday. Same day, I'm going on a road trip with my best friend Gabby. Luckily, I write with Grammarly. What once took me hours now takes minutes. So I can focus on what matters most, my voice. We begin in ancient Egypt, and then the Renaissance, but also Impressionism. And, of course, the internet. See? Easy peasy. But what kind of grade are we talking here? Not my dream grade. Let's clarify this, shorten that, and boom! We have pretty high standards, am I right?
Okay, so here your parameter simple, so I already put it first line as capital. Okay, now it will get successfully. It is created inside app models. After that, you have to specify these column names over here. Right, I just copy this one. I will explain, don't worry. Here, your model is inside a folder. There's a model folder. To expand the model folder, there is a student PHP. Here, what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to paste it over here. Here, you have to mention the table name, which is the students. It goes to the database. You already done the database configuration. Here inside this database, it is searching the students. The students table is there. Okay, student table consists of the primary key ID.
Itu bisnisnya bagus tuh. Bisnis keren banget anda. Bisnis gelap. Apa lauknya nggak ada, nasi doang sama tahu.
ID. Okay, it consists of
Tahu. Ada.
student table consists of the primary key ID, name, address, mobile.
Itu kalau yang mana? Nitip. Oh, kirain dibeliin dia. Dibeliin atau nitip? Kan. Suruh beliin. Udah lah nitip, suruh beliin, suruh antarin. Darel memperbudak.
So you'll be able to see the following fields, name, address, mobile.
Itu di student kita bikin berapa? Boleh? Gak ada masalah. Masuk aja. Ini yang mana? Yang biasa dia. Isi apa nih? Ayam kan? Kangen banget aing. Besok sarapan beli kol. Fix. Kangen banget cu. Yang bikin lagu tuh beli kol pagi-pagi. Gak ada roti. Habis makan roti tuh kayak kenyang banget. Ini kita bikin ada use dulu yang harus ditambah. Ini use ini kalau kalian nggak tambahin percayalah. Kadang orang nyari-nyari errornya di mana, ternyata belum nambahin news. Kebiasaan. Sini kita harus bikin factories, ada juga hash factory. Nah, setelah itu di dalamnya kita bikin beberapa satu protected. Berarti nanti nggak makan nasi dong. Nanti kalau kayak itu doang udah kenyang ya kan. Karena pagi itu sering kekenyangan makan roti doang. Soalnya roti itu bukan alat sih, emang alat. Juga kalau yang keju kayak makan apa lah, rasanya nggak jelas. Kalau aja coklat ya, ya kan? Iya, beda rasanya. Sama kayak ente beli Seven Days yang coklat tuh. Ada dulu pas umroh kan banyak jalan-jalannya tuh. Tiap jalan-jalan kan naik bus. Tiap di bus pasti dapat Seven Days itu. Minimal pergi satu pulang satu. Itu anak stok. Enak banget makannya. Bisa nggak makan nasi makan itu doang. Roti. Itu Seven Days lah. Yang itu pokoknya di dunia per krozong instan itu paling tinggi tahtanya ya Seven Days. Hyper banget. Tiba-tiba hyper banget. Dia merek makanan. Di sini terakhir kita bikin news. Saya mau cepat nih guys, mau jemput rendang. Udah ya guys, segini dulu untuk video keempat kita. Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.